guys, you know what? It's very sad in Nandipha. Yo, Nandipha is so unhappy. Her face has dropped. Like, because you are just like so unhappy. I'm just like, go to Thabo Best. And he was looking fly. I'm like, wow, you're wearing sunglasses inside court. Go to Zaibuku. How do you know Zaibuku? Who's the sunglasses, guys? I'm like, why? Nandipha is so unhappy. She's even gotten darker. Go back, you know, these things is like a beauty clinic that she had. She doesn't get them anymore, those drops or the drips that you'll put also in your body, like your vitamins. And then she was obviously also maybe taking all vitamin B to make herself lighter, you know, in complexion. And she was plump, yeah. She's lost weight. Like, guys, is it fair, mar? Ngapha nje khona bangamzwile bathi no, she brought this to herself. Wazifaka ukuthi abo best wayemfuna ini. Ukuyibona leyo nto, guys. Yo, ayibuhlungu into kaNandipha. Ayibuhlungu like I can't even. It's only like actually registering now to me ukuthi ayibona uNandipha kodwa Nkosi yami. Why nje ube right kabi uNandipha? She's even dark now. Like I'm saying, guys, ukuthi she wasn't dark. Or is it because angithi lezi zinto lezi akasayigcobi akasazenzi yena eclinic phela uqala wena uzenze kuqala before you can do other people. Ukuyibona mhlambe and then uzjovo vitamin C no B angithi khona nama drops khona nama drip, you know, you can put a drip on yourself and then sit there ingenelele ube muhle ube cute and be light and be, you know, nama skin lightening obviously baby wasebenzisa labantu like you see ukhanya imbawu ngoba ufuna ukuba njengo Michael Jackson ufuna ukuba mhlophe usisi. And it's fun, guys. Imali yakhe mina follow said ukuthi it's money like what must happen just ukuthi nje I was telling someone ukuthi yabona mina ubese kuza nalaba lokhu bakubizana uBBL angeke ngikwazi ukwenza lezi zinto mina, guys. The problem with me also ngigwala mina angifuni lokusikwa I can't stand that. I can't. But wena uma ufuna iBBL njengoba kuthiwa inyama zakhona sometimes ziyabola ngaphakathi, that's for you. It works for you and yona ufuna ukuba muhle kanjalo. Angithi nathi sifuna ukuba bahle ngezinye indlela asifani basabantu, and we can't, guys, keep on criticizing people's things singa understand ama dynamics ukuthi why befuna ukuba kanje. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo, but asinasibi satisfied ngokufana. I'm sure uNandipha kazi uzisola, she's just like, what? I'm sure she's kicking herself. Ukuthi kodwa ngimfuna lo muntu onjani lo. Oh, what was wrong with me? I could have a great life by now, you know, these 2-3 years that I've wasted in jail now already. It's a lot for me. I can't. I think also she stopped eating. Since that time, vele last ngifunda ukudla. Ngapha ubhuti wakhe kumele ukuthi uthe uThabo Best diabetic. So he is not eating stuff there in jail. Usenza Uber Eats namanje. Ngoba ngithi nale wayenza Uber Eats amangawu. Angimazi ke manje ukuthi udlani, but in the at some stage he was refusing to eat because ethi nje mina I'm diabetic, they must give me my own food. I even think that's not true. I don't know why. I actually don't believe he is diabetic. Hi, guys.